How to hide apps on any Android device. So doesn't matter whichever Android device you have been using, you can follow the same steps and apply to your Android device to hide apps. First thing first, suppose if you want to hide Instagram from your home screen, then you can go to settings on your device, and from the section you can go to privacy. Next to permission, you need to tap on privacy, and after you tap in here, you need to tap in hide apps. You need to enter the privacy password. Once you enter the privacy password, you will get access to this hide apps section where you need to scroll and toggle on Instagram. So navigate to Instagram and toggle on the button, and let's tap on hidden next to all. As you can see, Instagram has already been hidden. When you go to home screen, you will see that we have successfully hidden the Instagram application on our Android device. Likewise, you can hide any app that you wish to hide on your Android device following the same step. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.